I've read a couple of places where you said you've struggled with depression from time to time.
I was on Prozac for a long time. Yep, I was on Prozac for a long time, and I'm not sure. I mean, it may have helped me out of a jam for a little bit, but people stay on it forever. You know, I had to get off at a certain point because I realized that, you know, everything's just okay.
No peaks and valleys.
There are peaks, there are valleys, but they're all kind of carved and smoothed out, and it feels like a low level of despair you live in, where you're not getting any answers, but you're living okay, and you can smile at the office, you know, but it's a low level of despair.
And you don't take any of them, you don't take anything there?
Nothing. I don't take anything. I rarely drink coffee. I'm very serious about no alcohol, no drugs. Life is too beautiful.
So he draws his strength now from the spiritual side of his life.
This is my spot. This is the center of the universe. It's where I hang out with Buddha and Krishna and, you know, all those guys.
Are you a
Jesus.
Buddhist?
I'm a Buddhist, I'm a Muslim, I'm a Christian, I'm whatever you want me to be. You know, it all comes down to the same thing. You're in a loving place or you're in an unloving place. If you're with me right now, we cannot be unhappy. It's not possible. It's not possible. Just try.
Would you be offended if I said I like to be a little drier?
His faith is personal and mystical. He believes that miracles will come true if you just believe in them. And he has his life and his career to prove it. But he does think that people who express strong feelings about spirituality run the risk of being labeled a kook.
You know, what the hell? What the hell? You know, whatever. I just want to be myself. If I lose a few fringe people who can't deal with the fact that, you know, that there's other forces in the world, that's okay with me.
After talking to you for a couple of hours, I mean, I get this sense you are a big bundle of conflicting emotions.
Really? You get that sense from me?
Well, I think you're very emotional about a lot of things. It's all very close to the surface.
Yeah, it is. I've decided to be there. I only act in the movies.